Hi everyone, I went to Costco and spent just under $200, $191.55. Now let's go over what I got. I got some really exciting things. First of all, I got this cheese and it was like almost $5 off on coupon, and then the coffee was on coupon and it just came under $7 each, which is a great deal for 325 cups. And then the pot stickers were just under $7 as well. Some bananas. The grapefruits were $8.99. I love the Costco grapefruits. And then we got the chicken, which is like $4.99. And then my dishwasher packs that I always use were $9.99. And then I got the kombucha, which was $12.99 or $13.99. I'm not even sure. And then we were out of the bags for our garbage cans, and honestly I don't even know how much that is, like $12 or $13. The baby wipes were on sale, $4 off, so they came out to be I think $15 or $15.99, limit of 2 boxes, so I grabbed 2 boxes. And then this bread was $3 something I believe. And then everyone got something. Lucas and Noah got something. Emma got something from a different store. So I grabbed this Wimpy Kid book for David because he has the whole collection and this is like the newest one. So he's pretty excited about that. And then our egg rolls, which were just under $8. These multi-grain chips, which we really like, were under $4. The Clorox wipes were on sale, but honestly I don't even know how much they came out to be. I just grabbed them to throw in the stockpile. And then I got these. I got 2 of them. They're like learn along with me kind of things. One for Lucas, one for Noah. And they are $19.99 each. So of course I had to get 2 because they would just fight over it. And for 20 bucks, I'm not going to go through the hassle. I'd rather just grab each of them one. So yeah, this is what I got for just under $200. And I really need to stay out of the stores, you guys. I know I've been shopping like crazy this week, but we're stocked up. There was just some fabulous deals like the wipes and the Clorox wipes that don't go bad, and I wanted to stock up on those. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.